And this is everything that we have cooked in the toaster oven for our Christmas this year. We have a nice rotisserie and then baked turkey breast, 3 baked sweet potatoes, a whole bunch of crescent rolls, and a gingerbread cake with apples mixed into it. The rolls were the last to be cooked, and then the turkey and potatoes were put in to warm up one last time, and now we are ready to eat. So it is possible to cook a nice full meal with the toaster oven. Just takes a little bit of planning, but you can still eat pretty good. Have a good one and enjoy your day.